Greetings, YouTube. Elaine Elise back at you right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in the Grow Zone AB in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, YouTube, in this evening's quick video, just a quick peek at one of our Celeste fig trees that we propagated here in our high tonal greenhouse during the fall and winter months, YouTube. Just a quick peek at what we have going on. Take a look at this close up. You guys see that, YouTube? Already have figs on several of our Celeste fig trees here mid-winter in our high tonal greenhouse, YouTube, and we're super excited about that. Just thought we would bring you guys along with us this afternoon and give you guys a quick peek at what we have currently growing on right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.